Amphenol Sine Systems A-Series crimp tools are ideal for engineers looking to crimp A-Series machined contacts for use in agricultural, automotive, military, and alternative energy industries. Amphenol Sine Systems A-Series Crimping Toolkit includes a universal heavy-duty crimping tool with color-coded positioners for size 20, 16, and 12 contacts. They have an industry-standard 4-indent 8-impression crimper and a dial for wire size selection. The kit also includes a wire stripper, a Wedgelock extraction tool, a go-no-go gauge tool, and a case, providing users a complete solution for field installation and repair or low-volume assembly. Individual contact crimping tools are also available for each contact size, with adjustable crimping force to adapt to different contacts. The individual and universal tools all feature a smooth ratcheting mechanism for consistent results and high-quality materials for durability. Everything you expect from genuine, trusted Amphenol parts.